Ready to electrify your visuals with a mesmerizing, music-reactive wave spectrum in Adobe After Effects. First, create a new composition and import your audio file. It's the heartbeat of your future visual. Next, in your composition, create a solid layer now. Right-click on the solid and choose Effects and Presets. Then search for Audio to Keyframes. Drag and drop this effect onto your sound layer to analyze the audio. In the Audio to Keyframes effect controls, choose your preferred audio channel. Often L, R, or both channels will give you different and interesting results. Now, create a shape layer. This will become the base for our wave. Time to connect the audio to your wave. Go to the timeline and click the little twisty drop-down next to your shape layer's contents. Then click next to the transform properties of the shape. Then scale. Use the pick whip, which looks like a spiral, and link it to keyframe output. You can link the keyframes to the scale property, or experiment with the position to create a bouncing effect. Duplicate your shape layer multiple times, maybe 10 or 20 times. Offset the starting point of each to create a flowing wave. You can also change the color of each shape layer to create a rainbow effect. Now, adjust the smoothness in the Audio to Keyframes panel to modify the wave's response. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have created a dynamic, mosaic-driven wave spectrum in After Effects. Explore the possibilities by creating more complex shapes, different colors, or even different effects to create a full-feature audiovisual experience. Get creative, have fun, and happy animating.